Hi students, good morning. Welcome to next section. In previous session, we discussed the definition of iota. Iota is nothing but I, and definition of complex numbers, and equality of two complex numbers. Then algebra of complex numbers. Next one, power of I. After completion of power of I, next one is identities of complex numbers. So identities of complex numbers in the sense, in the earlier classes we studied algebra of identities. Otherwise identities in algebra means like x plus y whole square, x minus y whole square, x square minus y square, x plus y whole cube, x minus y whole cube, like that we studied identities in algebra. In the same manner, in the complex number also some identities are there. What are those? First identity, z1 minus z2 whole square, like x minus y whole square form. Formula is z1 square minus 2 into z1 z2 plus z2 square. Next second one, z1 plus z2 whole square, like x plus y whole square form. z1 square plus 2 z1 z2 plus z2 square. Next third one, z1 square minus z2 square, like x square minus y square form. X square minus y square form formula x minus y into x plus y, like that z1 minus z2 into z1 plus z2. Next z1 plus z2 whole cube, like a plus b whole cube form. A plus b whole cube or otherwise x plus y whole cube formula, x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3x y square. In the place of x y, here z1 and z2 is there. z1 plus z2 whole cube formula, z1 cube plus z2 cube plus 3 z1 square into z2 plus 3 z1 into z2 square. Next fifth identity, z1 minus z2 whole cube, a minus b whole cube formula, a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square. In the same manner, in place of ab, z1 and z2 is there. z1 cube minus z2 cube minus 3 z1 square into z2 plus 3 z1 into z2 square. 3 z1 into z2 square. Like that, whatever there in the identities in the algebra, same manner we can apply in the complex numbers also. So next one, modulus of complex number. So how to define the modulus of the complex numbers? So let us be take z equal to x plus I be the given complex number, then the modulus is defined by modulus z. Here modulus z is defined the non-negative real number. So clear? Modulus is defined non-negative real number. Then how to define this? Let us take z equal to x plus iy be a complex number then modulus of a complex number is denoted by modulus z. So symbol modulus z. How to read modulus z? It is defined as non-negative real number. So clearly we can say that is modulus z equal to square root over x square plus y square. Simple, z equal to x plus iy is the given complex number. To find modulus of the complex number, this is the formula. So what is that? Mod z equal to root over x square plus y square. It clearly root the function, it is always a non-negative real number. That's what it is defined as a non-negative real number. So this is the formula for to calculate the modulus of the any complex number. So next, conjugate of a complex number. Conjugate of a complex number. So let us take same the complex number z equal to x plus iy. So conjugate of complex number is defined as z bar. So let z equal to x plus iy be a complex number then conjugate of complex number denoted by z bar. So how to read this? Z bar. So that is z bar equal to x minus iy. So simple thing, the given complex number is x plus iy. So if we want to calculate the conjugate of that complex number is nothing but x minus iy. Simple one. In imaginary part, while taking the conjugate, if it is plus, the converted into the minus, only imaginary part. Suppose given complex number imaginary part is minus, while taking the conjugate is converted into the plus. For example, I will take for both modulus and conjugate one simple example. So z equal to 2 plus 3i. So modulus of z. So modulus of z formula is what? Square root over x square plus y square. So modulus of z equal to denoted by mod z, that equal to root over x square plus y square. X is 2. 2 square plus y is 3. 2 square plus 3 square. Root over 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. Root over 9 plus 4 is 13. That is modulus z. So next, conjugate of given complex number z equal to 2 plus 3i. How to calculate? Conjugate of z is denoted by z bar. So this is the given complex number 2 plus 3i. We know how to write the complex number for x plus iy conjugate is x minus iy. Same manner, 2 plus 3i conjugate is 2 minus 3i. So you should remember only imaginary part will be changed in the complex conjugate complex numbers. Here one point, let us take note. Just listen, don't write. Note. So we studied modulus and conjugate of complex number. Before that, we calculated multiplicative inverse of a complex number. For example, z equal to x plus iy. I didn't explain everything. Earlier we studied multiplicative inverse. Just I will write z inverse. In final step we got x minus iy by x square plus y square. How it is this? Z inverse is nothing but 1 by z, 1 by x plus iy. Denominator we need to do the rationalize. Like that we got this is the final step. Calculating multiplicative inverse. Here if you observe z equal to x plus iy, what is conjugate of this one? X minus iy. That conjugate there here in the numerator. Next, modulus of this one is root over x square plus y square. Modulus z we denoted by mod z. If we do squaring on both sides, mod z square equal to x square plus y square. So based on that formula, z inverse we can write z bar by modulus z square. Z bar by modulus z square. So z inverse we can write 1 by z na? 1 by z equal to z bar by modulus z square. So cross multiply. Mod z square equal to z into z bar. So only remember this point. Z into z bar equal to simply mod z whole square. So no need to remember this everything. Z into z bar equal to mod z whole square. This is important point to do the objective problems, but don't apply in the PU this one. So in that modulus and conjugate, some properties are there. Properties in the both modulus and conjugate. Let us take first property. Z1 into Z2 whole bar means product of two complex numbers conjugate is equal to Z1 bar into Z2 bar. Individual conjugate we can write product. The second one, Z1 plus or minus Z2 whole bar is equal to Z1 bar plus or minus Z2 bar. That means for plus and minus we can take separate modulus. Separate conjugate. Next, Z1 by Z2 whole conjugate. That we can write Z1 bar divided by Z2 bar provided Z2 is not equal to 0. So here denominator complex number is non-zero complex number, then only division is possible. Next, while coming to the modulus, whole modulus Z1 into Z2 is equal to modulus Z1 modulus Z2. Whole modulus Z1 by Z2 modulus Z1 divided by modulus Z2 provided Z2 is not equal to 0. But in the modulus while taking plus and minus, that will be differ. We can study in the objective that formulas and all. But in our concepts only up to in the modulus only product and division will be there. If it is suppose Z1 plus Z2 will be there, what will is less than or equal to or greater than some conditions are there, we will discuss in the objective. So these are the properties involving in the modulus and conjugate of complex numbers. Based on these concepts, we will do some examples. First example, express the following in the form of a plus ib, otherwise x plus iy. So in that first one, minus 5y into 1 by 8 I. Second one, minus I into 2i into minus 1 by 8 I whole cube. Simple thing. In the first exercise, first example, we have 2 bits. First one and second one. First one, solution minus 5i into 1 by 8 into I. So these two are the products. First, real numbers products we can do. Minus 5 into 1 by 8 into I square. So minus 5 into 1 by 8, minus 5 by 8. We know already I square value is minus 1. In the power of I we studied root minus 1 equal to I square is minus 1. Now minus 1 into minus 5, minus into minus plus 5 by 8. But he is asking right in the form of a plus ib. 5 by 8. This is real part. Is there any imaginary part here? No. But even though we can write this I into 0. I into 0 is 0. But he is asking right in the form of a plus ib. A plus ib form. Okay. This second bit. Minus I into 2i into minus 1 by 8 I whole cube. First product of these two. Minus I into 2i. Minus 2 into I square. So this one we can write minus 1 by 8 whole cube into I power 3, I cube we can write. Minus 2, we know I square value is minus 1. Minus 1 whole cube is minus 1 by 8 cube. I cube is, we know it minus I. We know the value of I cube is minus I. So minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 into minus 1 by 8 cube we can write 8 into 8 into 8 into minus I. So 2 4 j cancel. Minus 1 into minus I is plus I divided by 4 8 j 32 into 8 256. So I divided by 256. This we can write in the form of a plus ib. Is there any real part here? No. We can write 0 plus I into 1 divided by 256. Otherwise you can write I divided by 256 also. So next example. Second one, express five minus 3i whole cube in the form a plus ib. So standard form only we need to express. Now clearly here it is like a minus b whole cube. If you take the complex numbers, a minus b whole cube form is there. So first we can write a minus b whole cube form, then come to know that in the algebraic we know the formula for a minus b whole cube. Formula is what? A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. This is formula for a minus b whole cube. Here a is 5, b is 3i. So a minus b whole cube form applies same formula. 5 minus 3i whole cube. A cube is nothing but 5 cube minus b cube, b is 3i whole cube minus 3a square, 5 square, b is nothing but 3i plus 3 into a value is 5 into b square, b is 3i whole square. If you know the formula, then you can expand easily. A minus b whole cube formula. 5 cube is 125 minus 3 cube is 27, I power 3 is I cube minus 3 into 5 square is 25 into 3i, 3 5 is 15, 3i whole square is 9i square, 3 square is 9, I square is I square only. 125. We know the IQ value. IQ value is minus I. So 27 into minus I. So this one 3 3 is 9. 9 into 25. 225 I plus 15 into 9 into I square is minus 1. 125 minus of minus plus 27i minus 225i plus into minus 15 into 9 135. So minus 135. First real parts write one side. 125 minus 135. Imaginary parts 27i minus 225i minus 198i. So plus 27 minus 225, that is minus 198. So 125 minus 135 minus 10 minus 198i. So a plus ib, if you want to write minus 10 plus I into minus 198. This is in the form of a plus ib. Example, express minus root 3 plus whole root over minus 2 into 2 root 3 minus I in the form a plus ib. Here multiplication of two complex numbers. Before going to multiply, here inside the root negative number is there, that we can convert it into positive number. Then how it is? See, minus root 3 plus root over, this we can write minus 1 into 2. So minus 1 we can write I square. I square value is minus 1 into 2. Then it is converted into positive. Into 2 root 3 minus I. So this one minus root 3 inside the root I square while taking out I into root 2 into 2 root 3 minus I. Now minus root 3 into this complex number. Minus root 3 into 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 into root 3 3 minus root 3 into minus I. So minus into minus plus root 3 I. Next this complex number multiply with I root 2 plus I root 2 into 2 root 3 I 2 root 2 into root 3. Next I root 2 into minus I plus into minus minus root 2 I into I square. So minus 2 into 3 minus 6 plus root 3i. Otherwise from these two directly I will take root 3i is common, because here root 3i is there, here root 3i is there. I will take common 1 plus 2 root 2. So I square value is minus 1 minus root 2 into minus 1. So finally it is minus 6 plus I into root 3 into 1 plus 2 root 2. So minus or minus plus root 2. So real numbers write one side. Minus 6 plus root 2, that is real part, plus imaginary part I into root 3 into 1 plus 2 root 2. That is in the form of a plus ib. Next example. Example number 4. Find the multiplicative inverse of 2 minus 3i. So this is a very important model for 2 marks. Multiplicative inverse of 2 minus 3i. So multiplicative inverse is nothing but z inverse. So let us take given complex number is z. Z equal to 2 minus 3i. He is asking multiplicative inverse is nothing but z inverse. Z inverse is nothing but 1 by z. 1 by z. Z is nothing but 2 minus 3i. So here denominator complex form. So this one we need to do the rationalize. Here 2 minus 3i is there with plus 2 plus 3i. Divide and multiply. Rationalization of denominator. We know in the lower class how to do the rationalize. 2 plus 3i divided by 2 plus 3i. Now 1 into 2 plus 3i. 2 plus 3i. Denominator in the form of a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square form. 2 square minus 3i whole square. 2 plus 3i divided by 2 square is 4 minus 9 into I square. 2 plus 3i divided by 4 minus 9 into I square value minus 1. Finally 2 plus 3i divided by, so minus or minus plus 4 plus 9 is 13. This we can write 2 by 13 plus I into 3 by 13. See, in the objective, suppose same question you will ask. Directly you can do, but don't do in the pure. Suppose 2 minus 3i is there. If you want to get the direct answer multiplicative inverse, first from this numerator conjugate of this complex number. Conjugate is what? 2 plus 3i divided by modulus square. So modulus what will get? Root over 4 plus 9. Modulus square is 9 plus 4, that is 2 plus 3i divided by 13. So we can get 2 by 13 plus I into 3 by, just for verification only, but don't apply in the PU. You can follow like this, z inverse 1 by z rationalize of that. Next example, express the following in the form a plus ib. In that, two sub-problems are there. First one, 5 plus root 2 into I divided by 1 minus root 2 into I. So second one, I power minus 35. First we'll do in the first sub-problem. So if you observe here, z1 by z2 form, division of two complex numbers. So denominator we need to do the rationalize first. 5 plus root 2 I divided by 1 minus root 2 I. Denominator rationalization, 1 plus root 2 I divided by 1 plus root 2 I. Now multiply the numerator, 5 into 1 plus root 2 I plus root 2 I into 1 plus root 2 I whole divided by denominator in the form of a minus b into a plus b form, a square minus b square, 1 square is 1, b square root 2i whole square. Now 5 into this complex number, 5 1 is 5, 5 into root 2i, 5 root 2i plus root 2i into 1, root 2i, so plus into plus plus root 2i into root 2i, root 2 into root 2 is 2, I into I is I square, by 1 minus root 2 whole square is 2, I square, 5 root 2 plus root 2, 6 root 2 with I is there, 6 root 2 into I plus 2 into I square value is minus 1 divided by 1 minus 2 into I square value is minus 1. Real parts, 5 minus 2 is 3 plus I into 6 root 2 divided by minus or minus plus 1 plus 2 is 3. So from numerator I will take 3 is common, 1 plus I into 2 root 2 by denominator is 3, both 3 3 and cancel, final we got 1 plus I into 2 root 2, it is in the form of a plus ib. Next second one, in that example second sub problem, value of I power minus 35 will be there. If we write in the denominator, we can write 1 by I power 35. So this is 1 divided by I power 35. 1 divided by this you can write I square whole power 17. So 17 into 2, 34. I power 34. One more I will be there into I. For any big number will give I square whole power nearby that. Why? Because I square value we know it minus 1. So that I square value you can substitute here. 1 divided by minus 1 whole power 17 into I. Some minus 1 whole power 17. 17 is the odd number. This will be get minus only. 1 by minus I. So we should do rationalize with I. Here minus I is there. With plus I you can do the rationalize. 1 into I by minus I into I is I square. I divided by minus I square value is minus 1. So minus into minus plus I. So this we can write 0 plus I into 1. Next exercise 5.1. Exercise 5.1. Express each of the complex number given in the exercise. One to 10 in the form a plus ib. So 1 to 10 problems we need to write in the form of a plus ib. In that first one, 5i into minus 3 by 5 into I. So here direct multiplication, first real numbers multiply. 5 into minus 3 by 5, I into I square, 5 over 5 cancelled, minus 3 into I square value is minus 1. So minus 3 into minus 1 is 3. This we can write 3 plus I into 0. The second problem, I power 9 plus I power 19. So here solution, I power 9 plus this I power 19 we can write I power 9 into I power 10. Basically same power you can add it. 9 plus 10 is 19 will come. In these two, which is common? I power 9. Take I power 9 is common. 1 plus I power 10 we can write I square whole power 5. I power 9, 1 plus I square value is minus 1. Minus 1 whole power 5. That is I power 9 into 1. Minus 1 whole power 5 is minus 1 only. 1 minus 1. So I power 9 into 0. The whole thing will become 0. That you can write 0 plus I into 0 form. Or don't confuse 1 and I. Next third problem, I power minus 39. Now this you can take it as homework. In the exam problem we did I power minus 35. Same model, 1 by I power 39 and simplify that. Next fourth one. Question number 4. 3 into 7 plus I7 plus I into 7 plus I7. Write in the form of a plus ib. It is direct multiplication only. Solution, multiply this complex number. 3 into 7, 21 plus I into 7 into 3, 21i plus I into 7, 7i plus 7 into I square. 21 plus 21i plus 7i, 28i plus 7 into I square value is minus 1. 21 minus 7 is 14 plus 28 into I. So if you take 14 is common, 1 plus 2i. Otherwise you can leave like that, 14 plus 28i. Next, fifth problem. 1 minus I minus of 1 plus I into 6. Just difference of two complex numbers. First, 1 minus I write as it is. This complex number multiply with minus. Minus into 1, minus 1. Minus into plus I6. Minus into plus minus I into 6. So first real parts. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Minus I minus 6i. Minus 7i. So this you can write 0 plus I into minus 7. Next, question number 6. 1 by 5 plus I into 2 by 5 minus 4 plus I into 5 by 2. Difference of two complex numbers. Solution. Here first write real parts one side. So the first complex number is real part is 1 by 5. The second complex number real part is 4 with minus is there. 1 by 5 minus 4. Real part. Next, imaginary part. I into 2 by 5. In the second imaginary part plus 5 by 2. But here minus will be there. Minus into plus minus 5 by 2. Now we can simplify easily. LCM of this one 5. 1 minus 5 4 20 plus I into 5 and 2 LCM 10. 5 cancel with 2 times 10. 2 into 2 4. 2 5 times cancel. 5 into 5 25. 1 minus 20 is minus 19 by 5 plus I into 4 minus 25 is minus 21 by 10. So it is in the form of a plus ib. So next problem. Whole bracket of 1 by 3 plus I into 7 by 3 plus 4 plus I into 1 by 3 bracket close minus bracket of minus 4 by 3 plus I. This is also we need to express in terms of a plus ib. First this big bracket value we need to simplify. Later second one we can simplify. Whole bracket of, in that real parts you can write one side. 1 by 3 plus 4 plus imaginary part I into 7 by 3 plus 1 by 3. So minus or minus plus 4 by 3 minus into plus minus I. LCM is 3. 1 plus 4 3 12 plus I into, here LCM is 3. 7 plus 1 plus 4 by 3 minus I. So 1 plus 12 is 13 by 3 plus 7 plus 1 is 8. I into 8 by 3 plus 4 by 3 minus I. Now again here real parts you can take separate. 13 by 3 plus 4 by 3, real part of the complex numbers, that is. Next here imaginary part you can take separate. I into 8 by 3 minus 1. Here LCM is 3. Both will be 3 only. Directly you can add it. 3 plus 4 plus I into 3 is the LCM. 8 minus 3 1 is 3. So 13 plus 4, 17 by 3 plus I into 8 minus 3, 5 by 3. So next 8th one, 1 minus I whole power 4. Solution. Here I power 4 will be there. 1 minus I whole power 4 will be there. This you can write 1 minus I whole square 2 into 2 4. Same thing will get. First we can simplify inside the bracket value. It is like a minus b whole square. Formula a square plus b square minus 2ab. 1 square is 1 plus I square is minus 1 minus 2ab minus 2i whole square will be there. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel, minus 2i whole square. Minus 2 whole square is 4 into I square. 4 into I square is minus 1, that is minus 4. This you can write minus 4 plus I into 0. Ninth one, 1 by 3 plus 3i whole cube. Now it is in the form of a plus b whole cube form. First I will write the formula a plus b whole cube. Then you come to know that easily simplification. A plus b whole cube formula, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. This is formula for a plus b whole cube. Here a is 1 by 3, b value is 3i. So apply directly a plus b whole cube formula. A cube 1 by 3 whole cube plus b cube 3i whole cube plus 3a square b, 3 into 1 by 3 whole square into 3i plus 3 into a value is 1 by 3 into b square is 3i whole square. 1 by 3 whole cube, 1 by 3 cube is 27 plus 3 cube is 27, I power 3 is I cube only, plus 3 into 1 by 3 whole square is 1 by 9 into 3i. Here 3 will cancel, 3i whole square, 3 square is 9, I square is I square. 1 by 27, we know that I cube value is minus I, minus into plus minus 27i plus 3 3 j 9, both will be cancelled, plus I. I square value is minus 1. So real parts write one side, 1 by 27 minus 9. Minus 27 plus I, minus 26i minus 27i plus I. So LCM real parts, 27 is the LCM, 27 into 9, 243, 1 minus 243 minus 26i. So 1 minus 243 is minus 242 divided by 27 plus I into minus 26. That is value of A plus IB. Next problem. Minus 2 minus 1 by 3 into I whole cube. Now for easy calculate purpose, I will take minus is common. So power 3 is there, minus 1 whole cube. 2 plus 1 by 3 into I whole cube. So minus 1 whole cube is minus only. 2 plus 1 by 3 into I whole cube. Just now I told A plus B whole cube form. So directly I will write, we know already A plus B whole cube form, A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square. 2 cube plus 1 by 3A whole cube plus 3A square 2 square into B, 1 by 3 into I plus 3A B square. A value is 2, B is 1 by 3I. Two cube is 8 plus 1 by 3 whole cube is 1 by 27. I power 3 is I cube plus 3 into 2 square is 4. 1 by 3 into I plus 3 2 is 6 into 1 by 3 I whole square. 1 by 3 whole square is 1 by 9 into I square. So here 3 will be cancelled. 3 2 is 3 3 is minus of 8 plus 1 by 27, I cube is minus I. So here it is 4I. I square is minus 1, minus 2 by 3. So why it is minus ma? I square value is minus 1. Minus of first real parts write one side. 8 minus 2 by 3 plus I 4 minus 1 by 27 we can take it. LCM is 3, 24 minus 2 by 3 real part plus I into 4 into 27 is 108 minus 1 divided by 27. So finally it is 24 minus 2 is 22 by 3 plus I into 108 minus 1 is 107 divided by 27. That is in the form of A plus IB.